It is May 11th, 2011. We are currently driving in a thunderstorm. This is the front view. Stop the windshield for a second.
No, mi amor.
Oh, okay.
Are you crazy?
Oh, yes, I can tell. It started raining hard like 3 minutes ago. It looks nice outside, but it isn't. Now,
Ya se bajó. Ay, qué bueno.
now we want to settle down. See the sky? Oh. See the sky?
Well, look at the sky.
It looks nice, but oh.
Are you recording what happened?
I am recording.
Look at that.
Look at that. You see that? That's from the sun. It looks nice. But the weather's crazy.
Oh my god, that was scary.
Should have seen earlier. It was pounding.
That was scary. Roberto, cóbrame, dile que ya llegamos.
The weather seemed to
Que
calm
ya estamos
down.
aquí en un semáforo y ya no está lloviendo.
The weather seemed to calm down. See that? It's acting up again. Little droplets will soon turn into pounding. Well, talk to you later.